Ajme. No talking. You're doing wrong, Rohit. Side running. Don't be hurry. Do proper. Use a toe. Use a toe. Don't bang the floor. Manju, smooth jump. Jump smoothly. I told jump smoothly. Yeah, very good. Soft. Don't bang the floor. Smooth. Squat. Jump in, squat. Jump in, squat. Be careful. Be careful. Jump side. If you can't go, go out. Move the side. You do. Sit down. That jump in and sit down. See that how he's doing. Jump, squat. That jump in and squat. And you start. That's it. And stay there. And stand. Make them stand. Jump in and sit down. You must sit leg out. Leg out. This leg out. That like a squat. Sit half. Try. Next time you do it. You do it. Jump in and squat. Very good. Focus. Concentration. Come on, you do exercise. He's telling how he did. Ju. Jump and jump out. Sit down. Sit. Leg open. Leg open. Do. Keep doing. Very good. I want that. Jump in. Jump out. You move this side. Move this side. You do. Arshit, do. Come. Keep coming. Focus. See how they do. Jump in and sit. Sit. That. Jump in. Sit. Jump in and jump out. Sit. Wait. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep trying. You must try. You go out. Send him out. Send him out. He's not doing good. Send him out. Send him out. This guy. Send him out. Go. You're not doing good. Do outside 50 push-ups, 50 sit-ups, 50 abdomen. Try. Very good. Jump in. This is very easy. And jump out. That's it. Jump in, jump out. Concentrate. Good. Don't talk. Who's talking? Try to fix it. No talk. Go and help. Don't tell him. You can go and do it also. Jump in, jump out. Very good, Alvin, good. That. Don't fall on the mirror and break the mirror. You see Rohit how he's doing. See the side jump. You're doing wrong. It's called side running. Come on. You say turn this way, Arshit, turn, make them to go 1-1-1. Single leg up. Focus and go. Don't go blankly. Focus, money. Here, Aram. Don't go slow. Take your time. Concentrate, Mado. Very good. Next. Lakshita. You done come? Yes. Side running, Jennifer. Side running. Very good. Side lapama. Go. Side. Good. Jump side. Next. Akshay. Don't jump very hard. This thing. What's his name? I'm telling you only, what's his name? Manjunath. Jumping, don't jump very hard. Soft jump. Use a toe. Like it. Stop. You guys stop. You go there. Back. Single leg up. Hop. Let me see. First stand inside the tire. First stand inside the tire. Hop. Let me see how you hop. Focus. Let me see. That's the concept. Good. Clap. He's doing good. Next. Marty, you can do it. Take your time. Very good. That's the concentration. Yes. Balancing. Yes. That's what life. How to balance when you fall, how to get up, how to take care of yourself. Focus, concentrate. Very good, Manju. Huh? Yes. This is way life. Good. Very good, Manju. Focus, concentrate. Don't give up. Yes. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, no problem. No problem. They focus. Hey, when you do mistake, come same. Don't go. Move. Jump. Yes. No, come back. Come back. Move. See, your mind is not working. You're doing wrong. Think and do. Yes. Very good. Don't give up. You can do it, Baju. Come on, balance. Move. Very good. Go. Now brain is working now. No, very good. Do single, double. Let me show the Axel to champion. One leg. Leave him. Stand inside. One leg hop, madam. One leg hop. Hey, hop, I told you. Not seeing. Hop and stand only one leg. Very good. I want that. This one. Very good. Good. Mada step. This see. Super. One Alvin. Enna pandra Alvin. Very good exercise. Good. See, now I'm appreciating you. Good. Don't stand double leg. You can change your leg if you want. You can change left leg, right leg, any leg. You can change your leg and do also. Good. Same leg. Now go right leg. Jennifer, concentrate, think and do. Jump, you can do it. Move. Very good. One leg like balance panne. Do single leg. Jump. Very good. Yes. No, you will not fall. Nothing will happen. You fall on the tire, nothing will happen. Move. Very good, Jennifer. Good. Yes, you're doing good. Excellent. Yes. Good. Very good, Alvin. Yes, see, Jennifer's doing good. Yes. Now you don't want to stop. Papa will go back. Okay, you know. Ashish go. Now he says Ashish is champion. Will show that. See him. You have any leg, left leg, right leg. Stand inside. Ready? Alvin, move fast. Continue go back. Elli stop back. No. Wait, man. Stand inside the tire. Stand inside the tire. Go. Hey. No, Mado. Think Mado, below balance Mado. Go. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ side running, side jump sideways. Anil, jump side, see that how he's jumping. And see that, go running inside, come on, first. See how he's doing, 1, 2, that's good, Alle. Good. 2 legs same, come back side, you. Smooth. And next. Small one, go in. Yes, very good, Jennifer, good. Super. Jump soft. You can change a leg. One leg bar next leg change madi. Adnal 1, 2, 3 jumps. Jump inside the tire. Exact target. You know the space. Alle kaal alle astri hobek. 1 inch, 1 feet is 1 feet exact. What? Jump up. Don't disturb the ladder. Jump up. Be soft, you're jumping like. Do this one. Let me see. Jump, go. Use the toe. Jump up. That. Come and sit. Don't do single leg up. Do so. Yes. Next. Focus. Yes. Come on. Why are you standing? Go. Continue or no? Continue. I want continue the concentration. Yes. Go. Good. Go. Pop. Zigzag. Long. Yes. You can use the space. Good. One leg in, out, and see that. Good. I told you already, I taught you. You must do it. Try it. Don't disturb the ladder. Think what you're doing. Again doing wrong. You're doing wrong. Do. Think. Yes, think. Rohit is thinking at least a little bit. Good. Anil also think good. Anil good. Yes. Anil no, Ibru Martha no. But he is going a little bit disturbed. He is doing good. Go jump height. Try to jump more up. Use a toe. Don't bang the floor. Use jump. Hey. Slow, soft jump. Don't bang the floor. Height ಬರಬೇಕು ನೋಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಹೇಳೋ ಲಾಡರ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಕೊಡು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಸಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಪುಷ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಾಂ ಎಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು ಜಂಪ್ ಅದು ಒನ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಲೆಗ್ ದಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಂಜು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ exact jump. That's it. Jump. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. ಆ ಲೆಗ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೆಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಂ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಹೌ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹಾಪ್ that two legs. Good. Very good. Again, this leg. Very good. Very good, Jennifer. Doing good. Yes. Hey, ரொம்ப hard பண்ண soft jump பண்றா. Soft. Jump soft. Do this all. Try this one. Hey, don't do double jump. Single jump. Again jump. I want that. Don't do whatever you want. Come on, Alvin. Very good. You should jump between. Jump. Very good. Try pannu varudhu. Push. Very good. You are banging the floor is going to damage. Move. Jump. Fly. Middle. Don't jump double. Single jump. Jump one shot. Jump. Move faster. Yes, good. You can do fast. You know that you do one, jump two. Change the leg. One time right leg, one time left leg, friend. Next left leg. No, you're not thinking. Think. Then use. Next, what do you think? Yes. Next, think what you do. Yes. Single hop and stand and double leg jump. Just. Out. Good. Okay.